Donc en fait, je me suis connecté, j'ai un compte Telltale, donc j'ai pu me connecter avec. Alors, pour l'instant, il y a que l'épisode 1, hein, fait en épisode comme tous les jeux Telltale. Il n'y a pas... Pas à se soucier. Bon, évidemment, c'est pas en français, hein. Je vais essayer, je dis bien essayer, de traduire. Je vous promets rien. Ah, je peux choisir mon apparence. Ah, c'est plutôt cool ça. Alors, je peux être une nana ou je peux être un mec. Bon, on va prendre lui. Alors, l'ordre de la pierre. L'ordre de la pierre. Avec un petit cochon, un commande bloc. Start épisode 1. C'est parti. Peut-être baisser le... Ouais.
Nothing built can last forever, and every legend, no matter how great, fades with time.
Settings. Je veux les sous-titres, s'il vous plaît. Avec les années qui passent, plus et plus de détails sont perdus jusqu'à ce qu'ils renaissent comme des mythes. Puis ça devient des mensonges. Et après, dans l'univers connu, machin, la légende de l'ordre de la pierre perdure comme un fait avéré. Machin.
Ours was fortunate to have so long ago 4 heroes such as these. Gabriel the warrior.
Gabriel le guerrier.
Sword all combatants would tremble. Eligard the redstone engineer.
Ah, c'est cool ça.
Would spark an era of invention. Magnus the rogue who would channel his destructive creativity for the benefit.
Avec la TNT.
The architect.
Constructeur de monde et leader de l'ordre de la pierre. Ces 4 amis ensemble vont faire de leur mieux pour devenir les 4 héros de la légende. Machin. Leur plus grande quête va les emmener dans un voyage dangereux pour combattre une mystérieuse créature sous forme de dragon. À la fin, l'ordre de la pierre devint victorieuse et le dragon fut vaincu. Leur histoire terminée, machin, elle remplira les pages de légende et tout ça. C'est pas facile de traduire, ça va vite quand même. Hein. Surtout que mon anglais est pas ouf. Mais quand une histoire finit, une autre commence.
Would you rather fight 100 chicken-sized zombies or 10 zombie-sized chickens?
Qu'est-ce que tu préfères combattre, des poulets de la taille d'un zombie ou des zombies de la taille d'un poulet? Merde, j'ai pas eu le temps d'écrire. C'est juste une... Ah, je m'appelle Jessie. Ah, elle va mettre un...
I didn't want to just leave Ruben here with nothing while we're at the building competition.
He's coming with us.
Really?
What kind of question is that? Of course he is.
Okay, I'm not saying he shouldn't come. I'm not. But don't you think it's a little weird that you take him with you everywhere you go? He kind of makes us look like... I don't know.
Les gens adorent les cochons.
He's my wingman. People always want to talk to the guy with the pig.
You mean talk about the guy with the pig? Like... Look at the weird guy with the weird pig. How weird.
Oh, je suis weird, merde.
I'm glad he's coming. I just don't want to give people one more reason to call us losers. I'm getting tired of it. I'm tired of being a last.
On s'en fout de qui se préoccupe de ce que pensent les gens.
You say you're not a loser, Olivia. So win.
Okay. Fine.
Donc apparemment... Oh merde. Ça craint.
No.
Boom!
Oh, quel enculé. Le cochon qui est en train de faire une crise cardiaque.
Totally freaked out. Now we're
Axel, what's the matter with you?
great. Now I'm gonna smell like a pig in Endercon.
That wasn't funny, Axel.
I brought you good times and now I'm being punished for
You
it?
scared us half to death.
Tu nous as failli, t'as failli nous tuer. Ouais.
Of course I did. I even brought something for the little guy.
Nice.
You brought Reuben a disguise?
We're going to a convention. Somebody's gotta wear a costume.
He looks ridiculous. The Ender Dragon was a huge dragon, not a pig.
It's a costume, Jesse. The whole point is to look ridiculous.
You definitely brought the fireworks, right?
Yes, I'm ready. Waiting on you guys.
See, now he's your wingman.
Stop.
Hurry up and grab your stuff.
We'll meet you downstairs, okay?
Okay.
Ah, alors on peut se déplacer. Je peux ouvrir le coffre. Je sais pas comment je fais. Use. D'accord. J'ai le curseur droit pour déplacer mon curseur.
Definitely taking these. Never know when I might need to shear some sheep.
Donc comme ça je pourrais... Alors j'ai une épée en bois. Je pourrais éventuellement aller tondre les moutons si je veux.
Flint steel.
J'ai un briquet maintenant. C'est bien, ils ont quand même gardé les...
Gabriel the Warrior.
Gabriel le Warrior.
Ever get that famous?
Est-ce que tu crois qu'on sera aussi célèbre un jour?
Maybe I'll
C'est pas impossible.
for my
Peut-être que je serai
poster collection.
célèbre pour mes posters collector.
Give me a dragon roar, Reuben.
Oh la vache!
That'll do, Reuben. That'll do.
Armor stand, look
Got
at.
this stand as a gift, but don't have any armor to put on it. Maybe someday.
Franchement, ils sont vraiment surpassés sur le coup. Ils ont vraiment bien gardé l'esprit de Minecraft et tout avec les détails. Non, franchement, c'est vraiment pas mal.
That's everything.
Let's roll.
Yeah, dude. Roll.
Let's go.
I heard a pretty juicy rumor about the building competition, but you guys have to promise not to say anything.
Ah, après, c'est est-ce qu'on pourra craft ou pas?
Also, it's in two
C'est la
parts.
question.
Each part more exciting
Ça,
than
j'en
the
sais rien.
last.
Spit it out, Axel.
Part 1, the special guest at this year's Endercon is none other than Gabriel the Warrior him freaking self.
Whoa, what's part 2?
Part 2, according to my sources, the winner of the building competition's gonna get to meet him. It doesn't mean anything if we lose.
Meeting Gabriel would be a dream and an honor.
Totally. He's awesome. It'd be amazing to meet him.
Donc voilà, en gros, le vainqueur du concours de construction pourra rencontrer un des 4 héros, donc Gabriel le guerrier.
So, does this source of yours make posters for a living?
Huh?
What? C'est quoi tous ces posters?
My source doesn't exist. You guys are my only friends.
Guys, let's stay focused. We have a competition to win.
We never win. And this year we've got Reuben with us. We basically have no chance.
We're going to win because
What are you talking about?
because up to now we've hated losing. But today, my friends, we're going to start learning how to love winning. That didn't sound as good. did it?
Ça veut pas dire. Ça veut rien dire ce
I'm
qu'il vient de
with
dire.
that.
All right.
Wait a minute. We're thinking about this all wrong. The point of the building competition isn't just to build something. We have to do something to get noticed by the judges.
Okay then. So how do we do this?
We don't just build something functional, we build something fun. After we finish the fireworks machine like we planned, then we build something cool on top of it.
You might be onto something.
If we want to get a reaction out of the judges, you build something scary. So I say we build a creeper.
Wouldn't an Enderman be better? I'm more scared of Endermen than creepers.
They both have their moments.
Let's build a creeper, Enderman
And
at school.
again, you scared the
How
crap out of
about
us
a
with
zombie?
creepers.
On va
All
un
right, let's
creeper.
build the creeper.
You're going with Axel's idea?
What's wrong with my idea?
Donc là, en gros, il me demandait de choisir entre les deux ou alors d'en accepter aucun des deux.
Yeah. I think this is the first time we've decided on
Donc
something
on va construire un
important
creeper
for
du coup.
competition. Think we've got everything we need?
It wouldn't hurt to grab a little more.
Let's get to grabbing then.
We're so prepared. We can't lose. Cannot. Bring it in.
Donc on a le briquet, ça doit être pour allumer les fireworks, je suppose.
No. Preparing is daring. No, that's the same thing. Forget it. A team on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team.
Prepare.
Ah, je mine le bois et tout. Ah, c'est énorme. Le cochon qui se fait chier, qui est en train de s'endormir. Il fait des pompes. Ah, récupère du sable. Les poulpes et tout. Récupère du colorant rouge. Récupère de la stone et du gravier. C'est bizarre, il est censé ah voilà, là on récupère de la laine. Encore du bois. Bah mais j'adore la tête. Bon, c'est le principe des Telltale, hein. C'est beaucoup de choix de dialogue et puis de QTE. Donc c'est bizarre, je l'ai pas vu le récupérer de colorant vert déjà, bon
I'm
creeper.
not just ready to build. I'm ready to win.
Nice pig, losers.
Hmm.
Oh, great. There's Lucas and the Ocelots. The rivalry continues.
La
Man,
rivalité
they've got
continue.
matching leather jackets and everything.
So cool.
Ils ont carrément des,
Well,
ouais,
well, well.
ils ont carrément des vestes en
Isn't the
cuir.
order of the losers.
Great. The fail squad's here.
Lucas, get a load of these losers.
Let's go, guys.
Name, please?
Axel, and how do you do?
No, your team name.
Team name? We are not ready for this.
So much for
L'ordre du
losing
cochon.
anonymously.
We're the Order of the Pig.
Really?
Is it meant to tie us to Reuben, or are you making fun of me?
Okay, Order of the Pig. You guys are in booth 5.
Je peux fouiller dans le coffre peut-être.
Nope.
Il y a un jukebox mais visiblement on peut pas machiner. Both 2 il est marqué donc c'est pas par là. Both 1, both 3. On peut peut-être leur parler, je sais pas. Group of people, look
Man,
at.
it's crowded.
Both 5, c'est là le both 5. On peut peut-être essayer de parler aux gens, on remarque. Bof.
I don't like the look of this.
Oui, c'est là où il y a les connards. Donc nous, on est ici. Nous.
Is that a freaking beacon? They have a freaking beacon? Freaking beacon?
That's stained glass. They aren't just building a beacon. They're building a rainbow beacon.
Ils vont construire un...
We're gonna lose.
Our design is better. A creeper that shoots fireworks is cooler than a fancy light.
Their difficulty score is going to be higher than our total score.
We've got something they don't.
Donc ils vont construire un beacon arc-en-ciel, donc avec de la vitre colorée, si on dit.
Look, it's the order of the losers again.
On ajoute la 1.7, donc la dernière, enfin la 1.8.
We're just looking.
Une la dernière
Plenty
mise à
of
jour
time for you all to
pleinement
look at it after
faite.
it wins and gets shown at EnderCon.
You're being unpleasant.
Maybe not all of you. Endercon doesn't allow outside food or drink. I'm talking about your pig. You're saying he's food.
Shut up, you
Shut up.
jerk.
What's that?
Jesse said, shut up. Do you need to hear it again?
I don't know. Maybe.
Stop wasting your time, Aiden. We've got work to do.
You're lucky I'm busy.
Hey, Jesse. Guys,
Hey, Petra.
how's the build going?
Only time will tell, but we're optimistic.
Hey, Petra. I forgot to thank you for that Nether Star.
Hey, Lucas. Not a
You
problem.
help these tools?
For the right price, I'll help anyone. If you need anything, you know where to find me. None of
D'accord,
us
c'est elle qui a
know
fourni
where
la
to
Nether
find
Star, donc c'est elle qui a tué un truc. Salut Haru.
No hard feelings, guys. If you're cool with Petra, you're cool with us. So why don't we
Non,
just forget about all
non,
this?
les Ray Seiden.
You know, make this
Ah
about
oui,
how-
merde. Ah oui. Ah, c'est vrai que j'y pensais pas du tout à ça. Merde. Ah merde, merde, merde. Exact, exact. Merci de m'y faire penser. C'est vrai que j'ai complètement zappé ça. What? Qu'est-ce qui se passe avec Twitch? Salut Haru, ouais. Ouais, putain, what the fuck avec Twitch? Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Je suis bloqué sur une page où il y a juste écrit Twitch au milieu. Quand j'essaie d'aller sur ma page. C'est quoi ce bordel? What? Ah mais j'ai fait le refresh, bon bah c'est pas grave, je vais passer par là. Alors attendez, hop, merde. Ah puis comme par hasard. Voilà. A priori, ça devrait être bon. Voilà, ça devrait être bon.
Cool our builds are.
We're cool with Petra, but you need to teach your friend some manners.
He's just trying to get in your head.
Well, have you heard the saying, it's possible to be nice and win?
Sounds like something a loser would say.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the EnderCon building competition. The winners of this year's competition will have their build featured at EnderCon. The winners will also meet, in person, Gabriel the Warrior.
Ocelots! Whoa, handshake? We don't have a handshake.
We'll just make one up. We'll call it the Warrior Whip.
And just like that, I'm nervous again.
Don't talk like that. We can do this. Just stick to the plan and everything will be fine.
J'ai pas vu, il y avait peut-être un tuto à faire, j'ai pas dû le voir.
Let's do it.
Building starts now.
Alors là, faut que je fasse gaffe au QTE, j'imagine.
Oh no! A fireworks dispenser! I'm so scared.
You worry about your build, and we'll worry about ours.
Un lava générateur. J'ai essayé de reconnaître les...
Now, the moment of truth.
D'accord, ça marche.
Here goes nothing.
Ah, c'est un jeu Telltale, donc ouais, c'est beaucoup de QTE et puis de choix de dialogue en fait.
So cool. We'll win this for sure.
The creeper was definitely the right way to go.
Guys, people are looking at us.
Good build, man. What? No way.
It's just a bunch of dyed wool.
Ouais, il va casser la lave.
Oh no, Ruben's on fire! Ruben, no, come back!
It was Aiden, that
The
punk.
lava's getting
It's
closer.
gonna ruin the build.
Ruben's going to get lost.
Non mais là c'est le but.
But our build is about to go up in flames.
We've gotta get Ruben.
C'est le but des jeux Telltale, hein. Ils sont tous comme ça, que ça soit
We're right behind
Tales of the Abandoned, Game of Thrones, voilà. Ça plus ça rue, et puis merci d'être passé quand même.
I don't see him anywhere. Ruben?
The sun's going down. We gotta find him fast.
He could have gone anywhere, and this part of the woods is huge.
We stand a better chance of finding him if we split up.
If either of you get
Donc là on
lost,
cherche le cochon,
use the
apparemment on est
lights
dans une
to
forêt qui est assez
find your way
grande.
back to town. Got it?
Got it.
Si c'est un Telltale.
Where
Il est
are
sorti
you?
hier.
Give me an oink if you can hear me. Ruben? Ruben, come here, boy! Pig tracks.
Salut The Malaki. Ah c'est le choix par défaut, ah bah je suis désolé. Mais je te rassure, à partir de vendredi, il y aura du meilleur stream sur ma chaîne. Vendredi soir, j'aurai du Dragon Quest Heroes et là, mon avis, je vais le rusher le jeu. Apparemment, j'aurai même du beau monde. Il y a Shigan qui a dit que ça l'intéressait, donc il passerait sûrement regarder. En même temps, c'est un jeu que j'attends depuis pas mal de temps. Ouais, il a foutu le feu à la forêt, le salaud.
Doesn't look like this fire will spread.
Mais si seulement ça pouvait brûler aussi bien dans le vrai jeu, quoi. Ah oui, c'est vrai que ouais, il y avait Binou qui streamait du Isaac tout à l'heure.
Ruben, are you in there?
T'es cochon.
Ruben! No, not you, guys. Pigs! Hey, all pigs but Ruben, shut up!
Visiblement, il n'y a pas de Ruben dans le coin. Ah, un poulet. Ils font pas ce bruit là dans le vrai jeu, les poulets, hein. Faut pas déconner.
Ruben, it's getting scary out here.
Oui, mais je comprends. Je sais qu'il y a pas beaucoup de fans de Minecraft. Moi, je sais que c'est un des jeux par lesquels j'ai commencé le stream et tout ça. Même si maintenant, je joue juste au Minecraft modé avec du principe de quête. Donc avec le HQM notamment, avec des mods pareil, mais sinon, c'est vrai que j'y joue plus trop. Oh, j'entends les bruits d'araignées et tout. Ah bah moi j'ai commencé à la bêta 1.2 je crois à peu près. Et puis à l'époque j'étais sur Minefield, je jouais avec Bob et tout. J'ai toujours son Skype normalement, c'est vrai que ça fait un moment que j'ai pas parlé. À l'époque où Bob était pas encore connu. Fanta était déjà connu mais pas Bob. Même si le puits joue plus sur Minefield, mais bon. Oh.
Ruben, there you are.
Je suis content de te voir. Oh putain. Zonzon. Oh super. Ah, attendez. Formidable. Ah, un Québec. Bah bonjour au Québec. Franchement, c'est le pays que j'aimerais visiter un jour. J'adorerais y aller. J'ai eu des amis sur des serveurs Minecraft, notamment une amie qui était d'origine de la ville de Québec, justement. Et quand elle m'en parle et tout, ça me donne tellement envie d'y aller. Ah merde! Merde, j'ai loupé le QTE, fuck! Ah ouais, trop bien. Waouh. Ah, c'est trop bien, je peux changer l'ennemi et tout. Voilà. Oh merde, j'ai plus d'épée, fuck. Oh, une araignée. Jeune mon cochon va s'échapper. De toute façon, ils s'en foutent du choix du cochon. Merde, il y a une araignée derrière. Ouf. Ouais, non mais je sais, c'est pour ça. Mais puis je suis pas quelqu'un de frileux, au contraire, j'aime pas la chaleur, donc c'est pour ça que je préfère les pays froids. C'est pour ça que les pays que je rêve de visiter, c'est le Québec, le Canada même en général, et puis tout ce qui est Norvège, Suède, machin. Oh, vache, pas la faire chier, madame. Ah, du fil. Je l'ai récupéré au passage. Il y a des baleines et ça c'est cool, oh là là.
I want to show you something.
Not that this isn't a really cool, dimly lit tunnel, but how far away is this?
Non, puis même la mentalité est pas la même. Je veux dire, franchement, les Québécois ils sont beaucoup plus chaleureux que les Français, quoi.
This isn't my first time in a cave, Petra.
Yeah, but have you ever seen a wither skull?
Whoa!
Ah, une tête de Wither. Elle était dans le Nether et tout.
So, you better appreciate this.
Tu viens du Nether et tout.
Oh, I risk my life for the thing I'm gonna exchange for that dusty old skull.
D'accord.
There's this guy I'm meeting up with at EnderCon. He's gonna trade me a diamond for it. Being the resident
C'est pas dur, mais tu m'étonnes.
every once in a while. Literally.
The guy you got the skull for, what's his deal?
He's kind of strange, I guess. But hey, everybody's got their thing.
And you never thought to ask him, hey, what's with your whole totally normal, not at all weird skull thing?
Ça doit être à peu près pareil en France, il doit faire 13 à peu près aussi. Ça doit être à peu près la même. Je t'avoue que là, je suis dans le bureau, tu vois, il y a le PC qui tourne à côté, je suis en pull, hein, parce que je me l'ai jamais. Alors c'est Minecraft Story Mode en fait, c'est un jeu qui a été fait par Telltale Game, ceux qu'on fait notamment le jeu Game of Thrones et tout ça.
What's in it for me?
Respect, admiration, not getting punched in the face for saying that just now.
Donc voilà, c'est un jeu où il y a surtout du choix de dialogue. En fait, il y a une histoire et en fonction des choix que vous faites, ça va avoir des conséquences sur le plus tard. Un peu comme Life is Strange en fait, c'est un peu le même principe. Donc après, vous avez beaucoup de QTE dans les scènes d'action, tout ça. Et si vous voulez foirer, ben. Donc là, par exemple, hop. Après, je peux avoir des. Voilà, faut que je récupère des items.
Oh, okay, thanks. Hey, is all this stuff yours?
No, we're just stealing from whoever was dumb enough to leave this here. Of course it's mine.
Just making sure.
Oh, here we go. Jackpot.
Ah, on a le système de craft. Ah, c'est cool ça.
Just place the pieces on the table.
Ah, c'est bien foutu. Ah, c'est énorme.
See? Isn't it better when you make it yourself? Check it out. Endercon's all lit up.
Bon, on va farmer du diamant. J'ai fait cross, je suis 21ème. D'accord.
Lucas and his ocelots won again.
Ah, moi, le cross, j'étais dernier. Moi, en même temps, à l'époque, je pesais beaucoup plus que maintenant. J'étais le gros du lycée, du collège, quoi. Donc bon.
You know, Lucas may be kind of arrogant, but he has come through for me in tricky situations.
J'étais fier de moi déjà. Putain. Les bots, please.
He's good at building, that's for sure. It's always useful to have a guy like that around, no matter what you might think of him personally.
Even if I wanted to get to know him, there's no way Olivia and Axel would go along with it.
Olivia and Axel aren't the boss of you. Just think about it, okay?
Ah, merci.
Come on, let's hurry.
Merci pour le follow.
Remember what EnderCon was like before it was cool?
Remember what we were like before we were cool?
Va sur ton nom,
Some of us will never be cool.
vidéo.
Ha ha.
Ouais. Oh, creeper!
Crap.
Oh shit.
This doesn't look good.
D'accord, ouais, bah je tâcherai de le faire
There's
après.
only one way off this bridge. Whatever we do it together.
We jump ou we fight? Ah, we jump.
All right, let's jump.
Bra! Telltale Games Presents. Ah, c'était l'intro, d'accord. En association avec Mojang, Minecraft Story Mode. Donc c'est un système d'épisodes aussi. Là pour l'instant, j'ai que l'épisode 1 et tout. Mais bon. Ça a été annoncé quand? Ça avait été annoncé au 1er avril, je crois. Au début, on pensait que c'était une blague. Et en fait, au 1er avril, ils avaient sorti un espèce de truc sur leur site, en gros, où il y avait des choix de dialogue aussi pareil. Et en gros, ils annonçaient le jeu. Donc on pensait que c'était un poisson d'avril, mais non. Les chauves-souris, machin. Pussy, enfoiré. Oh le plat.
Don't you know? You dive into the water. You don't land on top of it. Pull yourself together and follow me.
Just let me know if you see Ruben anywhere.
He's gotta be here somewhere.
I hope you're right.
So, when we're making the deal, I need you to let me do the talking, okay? I just don't want anything to screw this up.
Sure, I'll let you handle it.
And if you want to be really useful, try to look intimidating.
Like this?
I'm less scared of you than scared for you.
J'ai moins peur de toi que j'ai peur pour toi.
Petra?
Hey, you all know Petra, my new super close friend. We're super close now. We ran into each other while I was looking for Ruben.
Couldn't find him either, huh?
I'm sorry, Jesse. We looked everywhere.
I saw him, but before I knew what was happening, we were under attack by a zombie horde. I told him to run. It was for his own good.
What were you doing in the woods, Petra?
Nothing. Just
Ripé les poules.
drawn by the sound
C'est vrai que j'aurais pu
of
jeter la meuf sur les... Je pense qu'elle est plus forte que moi, c'est elle qui m'aurait jeté sur les sur les creepers.
I'm pretty bummed they won. Again.
I mean, there's no way we were gonna let you go after Reuben by yourself, but it's okay to be a little disappointed, right?
Or like, a lot disappointed.
The saddest of the sad sacks?
Cheer up, guys. We'll get him next year.
I don't know, Jesse.
The spirit is willing, but the flesh is sad.
Hey, if at first you don't succeed, then, succeed later than originally planned. Hey, Jesse, it's time to go see about that thing.
Oh, right. The thing.
Subtle.
Yeah?
As a punch to the face. Axel and I were gonna head into Endercon anyway. See you in there?
I heard somebody saying there's free cake by the map booth.
Hurry. We're supposed to meet in the alley over there.
Oh, ça craint.
Dark. Dark. Very dark in here.
That's weird. He said the dark, creepy alley close to the gates, but he's not here. Maybe he's late.
Are you sure this
Ok, Aru.
is the
Bah
dark,
merci d'être
creepy
passé en tout cas.
alley
Puis bah dis
you
bonjour à Binou de ma part.
I was. Okay, new plan. You stay here, just in case this is the spot he meant, and I'll look around. I guess I could have heard him wrong. Then again, I've never gotten a meetup spot wrong before.
Okay, I'll hold down the fort.
Thanks, Jesse. I'll be back before you know it. If he shows up while I'm gone, just stall for me.
Ah, un coffre à check, visiblement.
And just who are you?
Waouh, c'est qui ce mec?
I'm waiting.
No, who are you?
If you belonged here, you would know.
Unless that's all part of the plan?
I'm supposed to meet with Petra, not whatever you're supposed to be. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't walk out of here right now. Well,
I'm with Petra.
my deal is with her, not her partner.
She'll be here, but we can get started without her.
Do you have the skull?
Well...
You do or you don't?
Petra has it. She'll be back any minute now.
Well, as long as she's bringing it. I suppose it wouldn't kill me to wait a minute longer.
Well...
Ivor!
Ah, here she is.
Sorry I'm late, but good things are worth waiting for. I've got what you asked for.
If you have what you promised us...
D'accord.
You didn't say anything about an
Bah écoute, moi j'ai fait un peu de speedrun, enfin vite fait, j'ai pas vraiment de temps officiel, mais je fais partie de la communauté française, enfin francophone de Binding of Isaac, tout comme Haru, tout comme beaucoup de personnes qui sont sur le, enfin, qui ont l'habitude de passer sur le chat. Là on attend la sortie d'Afterbirth en fait, donc...
Just a little misunderstanding.
Let's just do this thing.
That's what I thought.
Puis sinon c'est vrai que je fais beaucoup de... Je fais pas de design, mais je suis plutôt développeur, dans mon cas je suis plutôt codeur. Et puis après, ça, je fais pas mal de gameplay aussi pour le coup.
I'll take that diamond now.
Take it. You've earned it.
This isn't a diamond.
No, it's lapis.
Quel enculé.
Of all the dirty, underhanded tricks to pull. I can't believe that guy got one over on me.
Let's go after him.
On s'est fait baiser.
Diamond, or I'm getting my skull back.
Yo, you'll make him pay, right? Right?
Come on. Do you see
On
him
devait
anywhere?
échanger le crâne de Wither contre du lapis, mais...
Lost him.
Then we'll just have to find him again. Go.
Well, we won't find him just standing around.
Keynote sold out.
The lines are always super long for this booth. Bunch of cool masks. I don't have time to play dress up, though.
There he is! Gabriel! Gabriel!
Step aside,
I have
kid.
just one question.
Hold all your questions until after the keynote.
Donc là, c'est soit je continue à le...
Hold all your questions anyway.
Ah, il y a l'autre là, le connard.
Sup?
Sup?
Nothing? Sup with you?
Nothing. What's up with you?
I just said nothing.
I'm sorry you guys didn't win this
D'accord.
year. It might have turned out pretty cool. If it hadn't, you know, burned down or whatever.
You know, that stunt your friend pulled really hurt my pig.
Okay, maybe, but I had nothing to do with that.
He's still missing, you know.
Sorry. I hope you find him soon.
Hey, you didn't happen to see a creepy guy with long hair and a beard roaming around, did you?
I don't think so. Why?
He kind of scammed Petra out of a diamond earlier.
Oh, everyone knows you don't mess with Petra. Not if you know what's good for you. I'll keep an eye out, okay?
Thanks, I appreciate it.
So, we're cool?
Yeah, we're cool.
Cool, cool.
Coolio, cool beans, tout cool.
Too cool for school.
Coolness.
Ha! See you later, Lucas.
Yeah, see ya.
Oh, il est pas si con que ça en fait le mec. Ouais, il y a un DJ.
I'm looking for someone. Kind of tall, kind of mysterious, hypnotic eyes and a devilish smile. Oh, no, no, not you, not you. No, I'm looking for a creepy guy with a beard.
Il t'entend pas, mec.
Thought you could just wiggle right out of that trap, didn't you? Well, wiggle as much as you want. You're not going anywhere.
Axel, listen up. Any chance you've seen a creepy-looking, beardy guy anywhere?
No. Petra told me what happened. I'm keeping an eye out for him. Okay, so I got a little distracted. It's just this machine presses all my buttons. Unnecessarily complicated and mean to birds for no reason. It's just, when something like this calls, you gotta answer. But I swear, as soon as the demonstration is over...
We really need your help, Axel. If we don't find this guy soon, we might never find him.
I was looking, I just got distracted.
Have you seen Ruben? I was hoping he might have made it to town while I was distracted.
Haven't seen hide nor hair. But I'm sure he's fine. He's a tough little ham.
Axel?
Alright, I'll look. After I watch one more chicken get owned.
Ha, I see you now, weirdo.
Ah ouais, on l'a vu. Il est là.
Well, if it isn't Team Trash Bag. How's your stupid pig? I hear intense heat causes brain damage.
Aiden, you idiot.
Hey, who are you calling an idiot?
You, now move.
Hey.
Merde, je l'ai perdu. Non, il est là.
Hey, what do you think you're...
What do you think you're doing?
Oh,
Ah, merde.
I'm sorry.
Get away from me!
I said I was sorry. Ruben? Is that you?
Ah merde, le boucher.
Pork chops here, fresh off the bone. Nothing sticks to your ribs quite like a juicy pork chop.
Ruben!
What's the big idea? I'm trying to run a business here.
That's my pig!
Oh, really? Well, I found him out in the woods, so I think that makes him my pig. Not the fattest pig I've ever seen. But he should cook up real nice anyway.
Well, please, he's my friend.
To me, he's inventory. I might be amenable to some kind of trade. Not that you look like you got much of value. And I gotta get some kind of return on my investment.
Je le menaçais avec mon arme. Le menaçais avec mon épée quoi.
Give me back
My pig.
All right, you little maniac. Fine. Take him. He's yours.
Je sens que je vais le regretter, mais bon.
I'm sorry, Ruben. I never should have let you run off in the woods. Remember that thing I had to go do with Petra? Long story short, we met up with this guy, he cheated me and Petra on a deal, and now we're trying to track him down. You in?
Oh, I'm in, all right.
Any sign of him?
I thought I saw him earlier, but it was just a false alarm. Wait, there he is! Looks like he's heading towards the hall.
We're gonna have to get past that usher to follow him.
Let's go! So, yeah, hey.
What would it take to get us inside tonight?
Tickets?
Get out of our way. We need to get inside.
Now I need you to show your tickets, or else I gotta stop you right here. Chicken! 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 It's gone. You're totally fine. You're a totally cool dude.
Ah,
We have to do something.
Like what? The show has been sold out.
il y a la machine à poulet derrière, attends, tu vas
Bust
voir.
right through. I just need a little wind-up room.
We need a distraction.
A lot of chickens running around might be a distraction.
Je m'en doutais.
Shoot! Get out of here!
Usher is afraid of chickens. What would you say if I told you I want to break this guy's chicken machine to create the mother of all distractions?
But you have to break that pane of glass. How are you gonna reach it?
Let's look around. There has to be something we can do.
Alors, comment qu'on va faire? Donc là, il y a la machine, en gros, faut casser la vitre qui est devant.
Any ideas
Yes?
that pertain to our current situation?
No.
Thought so. I need to reach that window, but the fence is in the way. And I don't think I can mess up the fence if he's around.
Ah, il y a un cube de slime là, ça peut être pas mal pour atteindre la truc.
I bet I could reach that glass with a slime block. Oh, hey, we meet again. Hey. One slime block, please.
We don't give out slime blocks here, just slime balls. We've got a limited supply today, and we're only giving out 2 per customer. You
Eh
could
merde.
craft your own slime block if you had 9 slime balls. Ugh, whatever.
A round of slime balls for everyone, please.
Wait, this is only 8 slime balls. We need 1 more to make a block.
Okay, we need to find another way to get some more slime, and quick.
On it.
Mhm. Et il y a le cochon.
Ruben, I need your guidance. What would you do in a situation like this?
Il est vénère le cochon, il va content.
I hear you, brother.
Bah moi je suis un petit streamer mais sans communauté. Pour te donner une idée. Donc il me manque une slime ball. Crafting table, bah non. Ah bah il y a Luca. Je peux peut-être lui demander.
Lucas, can you do me a favor?
Anything's possible.
I need slime balls. I swear I have a really good explanation.
Whatever you guys are doing, count me in.
Thanks, Lucas. Told you he was useful.
Oh man, this guy isn't actually cool, is he?
Remains to be seen.
It's crafting time.
It's crafting time.
So, you guys
It's
been
feeding
willing to get
time.
along?
It's crafting time.
You've got good chemistry.
Are you jealous?
I'm just saying. I think
Ah, on
it's
peut
cool
voir les
to have a team
recettes
that
et tout.
works so well
C'est pas mal.
You're totally
Si jamais on va, je sais quand même crafter un
Go on,
slime block.
Jesse.
mais-
You know how to do this. A slime in every slot, and every slot a slime.
Et là, hop là.
Ta-da! 1 slime block. Gross.
I'll take that. Right there.
Here.
It's all you, Jesse.
Give me a boost.
Allez. Ah bah j'ai même pas 15 personnes. Là vous êtes nombreux je trouve pour un stream, surtout à cette heure là. Non.
Whoa, 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 ah!
J'ai loupé le QTE, mais ça a marché quand même.
My poultry! My precious poultry!
Keep your eyes closed. They will peck at your eye.
Now's our chance.
Hey!
Salut Black Overthrow.
Where'd he go?
There! Through that door.
What do we do once we catch him? There are a million ways to play this. But considering this isn't my fight, I'll follow your lead.
I wouldn't mind a little payback.
He deserves it for crossing Petra.
You ready?
Ready.
Là, je me rends compte que c'est pas évident de jouer à un jeu comme ça en regardant le chat. Parce que je loupe les QTE à chaque fois.
You see anything?
He must have gone out another way.
Oh,
What is all this?
It's like
des
it used to be the
popos,
basement.
des
Place to have a
bibliothèques.
hideout.
I bet you anything I'll find my wither skull here.
And if we find anything else cool to steal along the way, so be it, right?
Axel, that's not what we're here to do.
I did say we wanted payback.
No better payback than thieving from a thief, right?
I don't want to stoop to his level.
But isn't that the best way to get back at him?
Let's focus on finding the skull, not stealing.
Nobody ever lets me have any fun.
Le cochon me fait rire, ouais. Il est susceptible par contre quand même. Donc là, faut qu'on cherche le crâne de Wither. Ou au moins le mec qui l'a volé.
Mostly stuff about brewing.
Donc là, c'est surtout, ouais, apparemment, c'est beaucoup de livres sur l'alchimie.
Oh, hello.
Oh, une épée en fer.
Too heavy. And too soft.
But super flashy.
Yeah, I don't think this guy does much fighting. Hey, you still have that one stone sword, right?
Yeah, I had to wave it at this jerkwad butcher earlier, you know, to save Ruben's life.
Impressive.
You're keeping it? But I thought it was too soft, too heavy.
It still might come in handy. And it is super flashy.
Hop, elle a récupéré une épée.
Find anything?
I want to steal that and that. I just want to touch that.
Des champis. C'est quoi cette potion?
Ooh, take a look at this.
You're not gonna believe me, but I swear I had a dream about this. Okay, Potion. I know this is a big step, but...
Come on, Axel, make yourself useful and go find that skull.
I am.
Nope, you're literally doing the exact opposite of what I just asked you to do. There's no way he won't notice his fancy potion is missing.
A good thief always covers his tracks. Fixed it.
Oh, yeah, the perfect crime.
Ah, il y a un levier. Espèce de débile, t'avais pas vu qu'il y avait un levier? Ah, un command block.
What the hell is all this stuff?
Soul sand. It was everywhere in the Nether.
What about that block in the middle?
I've never seen one of these before. I wonder if I just take a closer look. Do you feel that? It's almost pulsing.
Don't touch that, Olivia.
I was just curious.
Don't forget what we're here for.
En fait, je crois qu'ils vont reformer la communauté de la Stone, en fait. Parce que je vois qu'il y a un voleur, il y a un... Ça sent le trap chest.
So, good news, weird news. I found the skull, but...
The hell? Why'd I risk my neck for that skull if he's got two of them already? He was in such a hurry to get it, too. There's gotta be something bigger going on here.
We need to get out of here. Whatever this guy is doing, I don't want to be around when he gets back.
If he's doing something shady, we need to figure out what and why.
Soul sand plus 3 wither skulls. That's the
Mais ouais, il va faire...
But a wither. That's
one of the worst monsters there is.
We came down here to find the skull. Well, we found it.
Maybe we should just grab it and get out of here while we still can.
Oh oh.
guys.
Scatter!
Et cours, bordel.
Don't you recognize me? Or wait. Surprised to see me? No, that's not good. Thought you were rid of me, didn't you? That's better.
Le cochon là-haut. Ah, je crois qu'il a repéré la potion. Non.
What was that? Who's there?
Olivia, look out!
What are you doing here? What did you see?
Leave him alone.
Yeah, back off, pal.
You two. Did you follow me here?
You thought you could just screw us over and get away with it, didn't you?
We're here to prove you wrong.
What are you going to do about it? I have what I want, and you have exactly what you earned. Now get out before I put you out.
We know what you're doing down here. Soul sand and 3 wither skulls? You're building a wither!
Huh, smarter than you look.
Hey, nobody talks to my friends like that. Now shut your mouth, or else.
Ou alors.
Enough! You've wasted too much of my time already.
Where'd he
Oh
go?
merde. Oh non.
You won't leave if you're
Non,
unbelievable.
non, non, non,
I'll
pas
happily
ça,
move
non.
you myself.
Eh merde. Again. Ah, le cliffhanger. Bon, je m'occuperai de ça tout à l'heure. On m'a donné une méthode. Ouais, le golem, bah oui, forcément. quand on voit la position des piliers, tu te dis, oh merde. Bon, là, ça va sentir le QTE. Salut Darkweed One.
This is so exciting. It sure is. And now, for the first time ever here at EnderCon, we are very proud to present
The one, the only.
Gabriel!
Please, please. Thank you. Are you with me?
Everybody okay?
Guys? Where's Lucas?
I thought he was right behind me.
Well, if he's not here, the only place he could be is...
He's still down there.
Ivor's got an iron golem and all the ingredients to build a wither down there. If he were to unleash it on this crowd of people, we have to act fast.
It just so happens that the greatest warrior of all time is in the building. We should ask Gabriel for help. This is the smartest way to help Lucas.
He's tough. I just hope he's tough enough to hold out a little bit longer.
I'm going after Lucas by myself.
By yourself? Are you sure, Jesse?
Yeah. The rest of you, go get Gabriel.
We're on it, Jesse.
We'll figure out a way to warn Gabriel, and then we'll meet you back here.
Let's crash this party.
Be back as soon as I can.
Be careful.
Donc là, on va aller à l'aide de Lucas qui est resté en bas avec le golem. Les autres vont essayer de faire en sorte de prévenir le guerrier là. Oui, ça va. Ça va, ça va. Pour l'instant, j'aime bien l'histoire.
Lucas, can you hear me? Even though I'm whispering? Jesse?
Is that you whispering super loudly?
Lucas! Over here!
Et merde.
okay? I've been worse. Well, I can't say this is the best spot I've ever been in.
Je vais l'attaquer, allez. Je vais poser mes couilles.
Don't take this the wrong way, but don't do that. Just don't.
C'est quoi comme potion que j'ai balancé par contre? J'ai peur que ça soit une potion de vitesse que j'y ai lancée. N'importe quoi ce golem.
Okay, Jesse, come on. Let's go. Thanks for coming back for me. I didn't know if anybody was going to.
No man left behind, that's my motto.
Guess I owe you one. Where are the others?
Dude, I don't know how it could be any clearer. Weird guy, doing weird stuff. Freaky, with a side of strange. I want you to listen to me. What do you want me to do? Tell you charade style?
I promise you, that's the last thing I want you to do.
4 words, 6 syllables. Sounds like Smonster and the Schmaceman.
Next.
Wait, just...
I have a question for you.
Excuse me, sir, you'll have to wait your turn.
Just tell me first. Do you really believe anyone can be great?
With enough hard work, yes.
Was that where I went wrong? I simply didn't work hard enough?
Ivor? Is that really you? How dare you interrupt like this?
How do you know who he is?
I don't know if I ever really knew him. But what I did know, I didn't like.
The feeling is entirely mutual. Why don't you tell them the real story?
Ah non, alors les Telltale ils sont pas en français, Cookie Boy. Il n'y en a aucun qui est sorti en français, quels que soient les jeux, aussi bien Game of Thrones, Tales of the Borderlands, The Walking Dead et tout ça. Ils n'ont jamais sorti leur jeu en français. Après, il y a je sais qu'il y a une team française de trad qui a sorti notamment les traductions pour les autres jeux. Bon, comme ce jeu-là est sorti hier, ça ne il n'y a pas encore eu de trad, mais je suppose qu'ils vont travailler dessus. Je crois même qu'ils ont, c'est prévu, mais bon, pour l'instant, il n'y en a pas. Et merde, j'ai raté le QTE. Ça fait encore chier. What? Depuis quand il aspire les blocs comme ça? Ça c'est nouveau par contre.
Everyone stay calm. This foul beast is no match for me.
Creature! Attack!
Ah, il le contrôle avec le bloc avec le command bloc en fait.
Gabriel!
No, stay away! It's after me, not you.
Look at him! The mighty Gabriel! Looks like true greatness is out of his reach. He may not be able to defeat this creature, but I can! Creature! Retreat!
Ouais, ça marchera pas, espèce de débile, tu crois quoi toi?
Creature! Retreat! Retreat, I said! Retreat!
He's lost control of it!
Oh, no need to be alarmed, my friend. I have an elixir that will destroy this creature. That potion, is that?
Uh-oh.
C'est pas la bonne popo que tu lui as donnée.
What? Impossible. It should have worked. I took such care.
The potion. Axel, you've got to throw the real potion.
But finders keepers.
You thieves, you're ruining everything.
Axel, come on. Jesse, throw it.
It's protecting itself. Now the command block exposed. The potion is useless. It wasn't supposed to happen like this.
T'as vu? Ah, je suppose que c'était ça, mais après... Alors attendez, je vais regarder. Settings. Gameplay. J'ai rien là. Hein. J'ai les contrôles, mais... Non, mais ça doit être justement parce que tu dois pouvoir... Il y en a peut-être qui ont déjà sorti des trades. Je regarderai éventuellement. Oh, l'anglais est pas dur, honnêtement, ça va.
I must get to the temple. But what needs to happen next? I can't do alone.
Of course.
Follow me.
Ouais. Pauvre fou. Bien mettez que la saille. Ça ressemble plus à rien maintenant. Oh mon dieu. C'est stylé, remarque. J'attends qu'il y ait un mode qui reproduise ça dans le vrai jeu. Je suis sûr que ça va exister. On se croirait dans la guerre des mondes, quoi. Bon, je sais pas trop ce que c'est. C'est censé être un Wither modifié dans l'idée.
Holy crap! Oh man, if I was still in that basement, thanks for coming back for me, Jesse. I wouldn't be here without you.
Jesse!
Wait, we have to stay together.
Jesse, help me!
I can't hold on.
Ah!
We still have everyone?
Ouais, le Wither qui s'est transformé. En fait, il a absorbé des blocs. Et là maintenant, voilà, ça ressemble plus à rien. On se croirait dans un mauvais hentai.
Thanks for that just now.
Yeah, well, now we're even.
Ça sent plus terrible, hein. Et merde. Ça c'était sûr. Mon premier game over. Parce qu'il a carrément un temple, le mec. Oh la vache. Ouais, franchement, c'est vraiment bien fait. En même temps, Telltale, c'est les spécialistes. Hein. Mais franchement, c'est vraiment pas mal. En plus, ils ont bien respecté les origines de Minecraft et tout ça, avec les cubes et tout, les designs, même des items et tout. Non, franchement, y a que les sons. Il y a que les sons qui, je trouve, sont pas respectés. Enfin, pas tous les sons en tout cas. Mais non, franchement, ils ont fait un sacré taf.
Hurry! Inside the temple! The inner chamber is built entirely of obsidian. We should be untouchable in there.
Ah, direction le Nether carrément. Ça va peut-être se finir là-dessus l'épisode, je
You
pense.
can get through the portal, you'll be safe.
Something's not right here.
It's not lit.
Ah, mais j'ai le briquet. Tu le
Hurry
crois,
up, Jesse!
Everyone, get in, now!
Gabriel!
Thank you. There are so many of them. I can't save them all. I can't stop this by myself. We need to find the others.
Others?
Soren's been missing for years. But the others, you must seek them out. Take this amulet and guard it with your life. You can do this.
How am I supposed to find Magnus and Ellegaard?
The amulet will guide you. Take it through the portal, and then...
You two, go through the portal and meet up with the others. Stay here and do whatever I can. Go on, Jesse, go! Get through that portal, now!
Petra, you've got to go through the portal with us.
Sorry, Jesse. This is something I've got to do. If anything happens, I'll meet you guys at the temple.
Lucas! Oh no!
Kid?
Thanks, Jesse. Gabriel's still up there!
Jesse! Go!
No!
Merde. Oh, pff, bah, comme ça c'est fait. J'ai pas eu le temps. J'aurais pu taper dans la truc a priori. Le
Where's
Nether.
Petra?
We did everything we could.
What are you saying?
Jesse? What is he talking about? Because it doesn't sound...
Why don't you tell them, Lucas?
I got scared. Just for a second.
You got scared?
It wasn't my fault.
You got scared and it's not your fault?
Back off, Axel.
We gotta go back.
No. We just have to wait. Think about what you're walking into.
We should go back.
She just needs more time.
Petra needs our help. We're going.
Hey, there she is!
Come on.
You again.
Il va détruire le portail.
Ivor.
You ruined everything. Don't pretend you don't know, thief! You took my most valuable potion!
Vas-y, fous-lui une droite.
More needless violence. It solves nothing. Learn the lesson now or you'll share Gabriel's fate. There's nothing left up there! Nothing but that wither storm.
Why are we wasting time talking to this jerk? We have to go and get Petra.
The girl! I saw her.
What?
While I was running toward the portal, I passed her. She was running in the opposite direction. Such bravery. Of course. There's a fine line between bravery and stupidity. And your friend has crossed it. I'm saying he's stupid.
Tu es un trouillard.
You're a coward. Maybe. But I survived. And that's what counts.
Si je te poussais juste un peu dans la lave qui est derrière.
Without survival, there is no life. Through that tunnel is a network of minecarts built by the Order of the Stone. It's your only way out.
We should go that way.
Time's wasting. Let's go.
Much as I hate to admit it, he might be right.
Bravo for embracing the truth.
Oh, un ghast. C'est pas bon.
I would wish you good luck, but luck won't carry you through the nether. You have my sympathies.
Potion d'invisibilité. La boule.
Let's get out of here. Run!
Oh, les pigmen.
This must be what Ivor was talking about.
Everybody, hold on!
Alors, est-ce qu'il va y avoir du QTE avec les minecarts?
Wow. The Nether.
Yeah, that is a lot of lava. And fire. And other things that could burn you to death.
Oh no!
Oh, that's
Oh putain.
That is very, very much a drop.
Talking about new guy. What drop? Oh crap! You weren't kidding.
Everybody, hold on!
YOLO! L'autre qui se tient derrière qui fait ouais.
Oh no!
Watch it!
Okay, so I'm not the only one seeing that we're running out of track, right? No? Good.
Jesse, that switch! Now, do it!
Oh, arms don't fail me now.
I got it.
Wow.
Oh,
I
stylé.
thought something bad was gonna happen there, but I guess everything's gonna be. Whoa!
Je sais pas si c'est faisable en vrai. Oh merde.
Oh man!
Axel? Olivia? Ruben? Anybody?
Oh, il y a un squelette.
Hang on, Ruben!
YOLO!
Ruben! Okay, Ruben, remember how I said everything was gonna be just fine before? I know I was wrong then, but I have a very good feeling.
Oh merde.
Whoa! Doc!
Bah, voilà, je m'en doutais. Faut que j'arrive à viser maintenant. Oh merde. Perdu. Putain, j'ai une grosse barre de vie. Comparé au vrai jeu.
Well, gas
Normalement, une boule de gaz, ça fait plus mal que ça. Hein.
Done with the gas. Never need to see them.
Oh oh.
Oh, crap. This is bad, this is bad, this is bad.
YOLO. Avec la musique et tout. Hein?
Is everyone okay?
I mean, I'm not dead. I guess that's pretty good.
Ditto. Ditto with the not dead.
I just can't
Ditto,
believe
Ditto.
it comes down
Ditto,
here.
c'est
This place is awful.
c'est pas le nom anglais
It's
de
gonna be sore later,
comment ça s'appelle,
Axel.
métamorphe.
Why?
I'm just saying. Wasn't that you doing all that screaming before? Sounded like you were really shredding your larynx.
We were just lucky to make it out alive. That's more than most people could say. Their bones are probably still sizzling away in that lava down there.
Wow. Morbid.
Sorry.
Là, l'humour est cool quand même. Hein.
throw up, like, inside your body?
Uh-huh. I know, because I just did. About 5 times.
Waouh.
Look at this place.
All these tracks
Je veux des structures comme ça dans le vrai jeu.
You could probably get anywhere in the world from here.
There's the portal.
This is what Gabriel was talking about.
That's our way out.
It must lead back to the surface.
The surface is.
Fais gaffe, il y a de la lave devant.
He's right. We have no idea what we're walking into. It could be dangerous.
Ah non, c'est qu'il y a du verre, d'accord.
Thanks for being so brave, Axel.
All right, I'm gonna go. I'm going. I'm going right now.
Il va falloir que je le pousse ou quoi?
Like right now.
I'll go first.
That's not what I was saying.
I'm going.
Well, if you absolutely insist.
T'es une poule mouillée surtout, ouais. Ah, désolé pour l'aspirateur. J'espère que ça s'entend pas trop.
Be careful.
Thanks, Jesse.
D'accord, pourquoi pas.
Not what I was expecting.
Oh oh. Brains.
Oh man, that was close. There was a zombie.
Oh. Is it dead? I mean, you know, dead.
Désolé.
Yeah.
Where are we?
In the dark, in the middle of nowhere?
Maybe we should bed down for the night. It's dangerous to be out when it's this dark.
I thought we were headed toward a temple.
We're looking for a giant building. It should be pretty obvious.
Ivor said...
No, Ivor said. Well, then maybe this is the temple. I'm being sarcastic.
Axel, come on.
Take it easy, Axel.
You called me stupid.
No, I didn't.
But you wanted to.
No, I didn't.
Huh? Did you say something?
We have to build a shelter.
I thought that was what I said, but,
Yep, that's totally... It's getting dark and stuff.
I say we build a treehouse.
J'avoue. Bon bah bonne nuit de Malaki, puis bah merci d'être passé, puis encore merci pour le follow.
What?
Ok.
In a hut, we won't know what's coming until it's knocking on our door.
A treehouse is gonna be Spider Town. I hate spiders.
Let's go with a treehouse.
It's functional. It'll keep us out of danger.
It's not a bad idea.
All right, fine.
Let's get started then.
Non, ça sent encore la phase où il va falloir construire des trucs. Donc on construit une maison dans un arbre.
If I wake up with a spider on my face, I'm gonna expect you to deal with it.
Lower your expectations, Axel.
Well, maybe if we'd built into the tree a little bit more, it could have... Never. This is fine. It's good.
Looks good, guys.
Merci, The Malaki.
Oh, man.
What?
I'm going to tell you something. You have to promise not to freak out.
What is it?
I have cookies. One for me, one for Olivia, one for Jesse.
Thanks, Axel.
And one for Ruben. Sorry, Lucas. I only have 4.
Oh, no. It's all right. I'm not that hungry anyway.
Ouais, je vais lui donner, je vais pas faire mon chien.
Take it, Lucas.
No, no, I can't do that.
I insist.
Thank you, Jesse.
That was for you, Jesse, not him.
If you had to, which would you rather fight? 100 chicken-sized zombies, or 10 zombie-sized chickens?
Choose wisely.
That's a good one. Let me think.
How can you guys joke at a time like this? Petra is still out there. She's all by herself. There's nothing funny about that.
Petra wouldn't mind at all. She'd want us to keep our spirits up.
Putain, mais sérieusement là? C'est un stream avec 5 personnes et je me fais emmerder par les bots, quoi, sérieusement.
I don't know, it feels wrong.
Fine. Then, we should get some rest. We gotta start looking for this temple as early as we can. Now, my guess is if we start at the portal and kind of split up...
Oh, what are you doing?
Did I do something to you? I'd really like to know, because you keep getting on my case for what seems like no reason.
He's just trying to help.
See?
I'm sorry, Jesse. I'm not gonna sit here and listen to this guy telling us what's what.
I'm just trying to get ready for tomorrow.
You're the only one wearing that stupid jacket. Don't tell us what to do.
Take that back.
Can't. Wouldn't.
You know what? I get to wear this jacket because I know how to build. But that doesn't mean I don't know how to break things.
Your threats don't scare me now that we know how you really are.
Jesse, your friend is way out of line. I wasn't going to bring it up, but I can only take so much.
Let's just drop it.
Don't be like that, Jesse.
Just drop it.
Haven't you done enough damage for one day? Petra might be dead because of you.
You're taking this too far, Axel.
I don't have to take this. Listen, why don't I just leave and let you guys hash this out?
You can't leave. It's dangerous out there.
I can take care of myself. It's what Axel wants, right?
Let him leave if he wants to leave.
You're not going anywhere.
But Jesse...
That's enough. We're all on the same team now. He's staying.
Zombie-sized chickens. That's what I would fight.
Why's that?
Because I'm starving.
Of course.
Rain is better than monsters. Thanks for keeping me around, Jesse.
Yeah.
Là, l'épisode dure longtemps. Je pensais pas qu'il durait aussi longtemps.
Listen, don't worry. Axel will get over it.
But still, the way it all went down wasn't cool.
Give it time. He'll come around.
Thanks, Jesse. Hey! There's something over that way.
Ça c'était mon téléphone, hein, vous inquiétez
Some
pas.
kind of building, I think.
Let's get a closer look.
D'accord. Ah, je peux grimper aux lianes et tout. Salut Brian TubeXL. Je sais pas comment ça se prononce, désolé.
We should head in, but let's be careful.
Non, non, c'est pas un son de Metal Gear, c'est la sonnerie de SMS de mon téléphone.
It's the Temple of the Order of the Stone.
Lucas, are you sure?
He's right. Look.
D'accord, de Bruxelles. Ok, Brahim de Bruxelles. Ok, ça marche.
Let's go in and find out.
À Lyon, la communauté s'élargit. On avait un Québécois qui vient de partir dormir et maintenant on a un Belge qui arrive. Bienvenue à toi.
Isn't it weird how dispensers are carved to look like spooky little faces? What do you dispense, little guy?
Oh, ça pue là, les dispensers.
I get the feeling that we don't really want to find out.
Get behind me.
J'ai des toiles d'araignée, ça sent pas bon. En plus, il y a des dispensers, ça sent le piège. Oui, il y a des... il y a des pressure plates au sol. Faut que j'essaie de marcher à côté. Je sais pas, est-ce que je peux pas machiner et tout? Marche pas dessus! Oh bah y a pas de quoi. Oh là là.
That's probably not a good thing.
Et là.
Oh, come on, dispenser faces. Thought we were friends.
Run!
Ah merde. J'ai raté le premier QTE, j'ai ramassé une flèche. Et il y en a d'autres.
We're trapped. We activated the dispensers with that pressure plate. If we can figure out a way to trigger it again, I bet that'll shut them off.
C'est les pressure plates en haut.
We can make something useful.
Out of what? We don't have anything. All of our tools and materials are back home.
All right, everyone, empty your pockets. Let's see what we've
Ah, moi je sais. Moi j'ai du fil.
Left over from building the shelter last night.
I've got some flint and a piece of string.
All I have are some chicken feathers I picked up after that chicken machine exploded.
Let's see, I've got some flint and steel, a sword, oh, and some string from a spider that I fought in the woods earlier.
String,
Ouh.
sticks, flint, and feathers.
Un arc et des flèches. C'est parti. Et ensuite... Hey hey.
Let's do this.
Ah, faut que j'arrive à viser, c'est cool ça. Bon, remarque, non, ça c'est... Barre. Oh, franchement, c'est vraiment pas mal. C'est bien qu'ils aient gardé le principe de craft, ils auraient très bien pu l'occulter.
This must be their enchantment room.
Oh, si on peut enchanter, l'épée ou quoi, c'est cool.
Find anything useful?
Not sure about useful, but definitely interesting. There's a lot of history in this room.
D'accord, on voit ça en même temps, voilà. Ah, la table d'enchant.
The battle was fierce, but the Order of the Stone emerged triumphant, saving the land and ensuring that peace and prosperity would reign forever.
Well, not exactly forever.
These 5 members, 5 friends, together would give so much to gain their rightful place as 5 heroes.
They would author their own end.
D'accord, il faisait partie des 5, mais il a été...
Ivor was a member of the Order of the Stone? The stories never mentioned him.
This is so crazy.
This might explain why Ivor had
Ah, ça explique, ouais.
They lied to us. They lied to the whole world.
Why would they do this?
Man, I can't believe you punched a member of the Order of the Stone.
This is so crazy.
The Order might not be what we thought they were, but Petra is still out there. That monster is still out there.
Jesse's right. We need to focus on what we came here to do.
Where do these stairs go?
Someplace safe, I hope.
They
This is cool.
Wow.
What happened to the walls?
More like what happened to this whole place.
This must have been where they met.
So where
Oh, la
are
carte
they then?
derrière.
Gabriel said that once we find the temple, the amulet would lead us to the Order of the Stone.
Well, what are you waiting for? Pull it out then.
Is something supposed to happen?
Ouais, on se demande.
That was a letdown.
There's got to be something we're missing. Look around and see if you can find anything.
Il doit y avoir un truc où la mettre, ou je sais pas.
What you looking at?
Nothing. Whatever.
Axel?
I was just trying to figure out where Petra might be. I mean, I know she's gonna be fine, but I was just curious.
We're gonna find her.
Je vais parler au cochon.
Hey, Ruben, find any clues?
Il est encore en train de bouquiner, lui. Ah, l'emplacement de la rune.
It's the same as the amulet. It's a map of the entire world.
Je suis sûr que l'amulette va machiner avec les rayons du soleil.
Find anything interesting in that book?
The only thing I've found so far is that the amulet was used to track the positions of the members of the Order.
And does it mention how?
It's less technical and, well, more historical.
C'est moins technique qu'historique, d'accord. En gros, ça donne pas d'indication. Mais de toute façon, je pense avoir trouvé de toute manière, en gros.
We're in the temple of the Order of the Stone. The Order's actual temple. Who'd have thought it, huh? A bunch of small-towners like us wrapped up in an adventure like this.
Yeah, it's pretty insane. I just hope we all come out the other side in one piece.
Mhm. Ah mais il y a des trucs là. Il y a des leviers. Switch. Switch. Faut essayer de tout allumer je suppose. Donc ça allume les deux, d'accord. Ça c'est le 2 et le 3. Ça fait... Est-ce que ça inverse en fait? C'est ça. Ok. Ça fait quoi ça? Ça n'a rien fait du tout. Ah, si. Ça s'occupe du troisième ça. Ça marche. Ça fait le 3 et le 4. D'accord. Hop, donc celui-là pour allumer le troisième, le quatrième, je veux dire. Ça pour allumer. Voilà. Je vais éteindre ces deux-là. Et là, je vais les allumer. Normalement, ça devrait être bon. Bra! Et voilà.
Absolutely incredible! How did they build this? Okay, now I'm impressed.
This looks like some sort of tracking system. It's the Order. It's showing where they are right now.
Look, we don't know enough about how this thing works. Maybe the amulet only tracks them when they're on the surface. Or maybe it doesn't work when they're in the Nether. We have to go off what we do know.
There are only 2 lights on that map. If there are only 2 heroes left, then we know what we need to do. Petra's relying on us. That Witherstorm is still out there. We know that Gabriel was trying to tell us something. We've got to find the Order of the Stone.
But there are only 2 lights. There are only 2 members of the Order left?
He said Soren was missing.
That leaves Magnus.
Or Ellegaard.
Let's head out.
I'm not going with you guys. I have to stay here. If I know Petra, she's probably doing everything she can to find this place. She's still out there. She has to be.
We might need your help out there. You should come with us.
No, you don't need me. This is where I should be. If there's even a small chance she's alive, I have to stay. Go. Get help. I'm gonna focus on making this place safe before nightfall. This temple is pretty big, though. If we're gonna have a chance at fortifying it, I'm gonna need some help. If, maybe one of you guys can hang back with me?
Sounds like Olivia will have you totally covered while me and Jesse are out finding Magnus.
Finding Magnus? You really think that's how it's going to go? We need Ellegaard. She's the world's greatest engineer. She'll figure out a way to stop that thing.
We're trying to destroy it. And when it comes to destruction, Magnus is the master. You're a smart person, Jesse. Obviously, the smart...
D'accord.
I think Axel meant Ellegaard.
Donc là, faut que je choisisse. En gros, soit je cherche l'ingénieur, soit je cherche le mec qui est spécialiste en destruction.
Jesse, the point is, you should be going to Ellegaard's. It's the clear choice to make.
You've got to come with me.
You're my best friend, Jesse.
Je vais aller par là.
It's you and me.
Get ready to roll, Axel. We're gonna go find Magnus.
Let's do this.
Olivia, you stay here with Lucas and get the place ready for when Petra comes back, okay?
Fine, but I'm only doing this for Petra.
Ouais, je pense qu'elle va m'en vouloir, mais bon.
Guys?
Oh putain. Ça craint du boudin.
Please hurry.
Fin de l'épisode 1, j'imagine. Bingo. Alors, la prochaine fois dans Minecraft Story Mode.
Jesse and Axel return to the Nether, intent on finding Magnus, the rogue, and find themselves in a kingdom of chaos, full of dangerous people with poor impulse control and some deadly hobbies. While the great storm grows, consuming everything in its wake.
Ouais, non, franchement, ouais. Puis ça, il y a quand même un assez bon respect du. Alors là, ça me dit, voilà, ça me dit les choix que j'ai fait. C'est un peu, ça fait vraiment à la Life is Strange, voilà. Voilà, donc l'épisode 1, j'ai avec 43% de personnes, j'ai dit à Ruben de fuir les monstres. Comme 44% de personnes, j'ai été sauver Luca. Comme 62% de personnes, j'ai aidé Petra quand quand on s'est échappé de l'orage, de la tempête du Wither. Avec 67 personnes, j'ai convaincu Lucas de rester. Et avec 37 personnes, j'ai choisi Magnus. Voilà. Donc après, bien évidemment, bah, le truc... Alors je sais pas si j'ai acheté le truc complet ou juste l'épisode 1. Je suis en train de me poser la question, j'en sais rien. De toute façon, l'épisode 2, je sais pas, il n'y a pas de date de sortie là annoncée, je ne crois pas. Ah merde, c'est le téléphone, excusez-moi.